Assalamu alaikum, friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Ghana cow foot lightsoup. Yes, delicious cow foot or kotodwe lightsoup or pepper soup recipe. This lightsoup is very delicious and it's very healthy as well, especially in this cold season. But don't forget, you can have it at any time of the year. You can have it by itself with any swallow of your choice, and you can even have it with some rice. Yes. So to start, I make sure I wash my kotodwe very well, and I soak the kotodwe in some hot water with salt and vinegar for like 30 to an hour. Then I went ahead to wash it very well until the water runs clear. Then I added everything into my pan. Added some of my green seasoning, which I have a recipe if you want to check it out. Then I went ahead to add some onion and garlic powder, some spice blend. Then I went ahead to add some star anise. So with this recipe, we want a little warmth and a little spice because of the weather. So you do not want to omit the star anise in this recipe. After adding that, I went ahead to add my smoked paprika and added my all-purpose seasoning, some salt to taste, and I added some water to cook it. So with this cow foot, you have to cook it until it's very soft because it can be very hard. You can cook it separately before you start with this process, but I wanted to create some infusion, and yeah, I did it this way. Trust me and use this same recipe and you're gonna thank me later. Don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna leave you all the recipe down below. These are the veggies that I use in this recipe. I added some carrots, some tomatoes, green onions, some onion, ginger, garlic, some clove, which is very important. As I mentioned earlier, we are looking for the worms, like kind of pepper soup style, but it's light soup. Yes. I added all the veggies in my pan, then I went ahead to add some hot water to make it faster. Okay, on this day it was very cold and all I wanted was some pepper soup. So I'm like, okay, let's do it. Over here, I've been cooking it for like 10 to 20 minutes and I was just checking it periodically, added some water if necessary. And with this process, you have to make sure you are adding some hot water or boiling water to help with the cooking process. Look at this delicious. Like at this point, it was smelling so good. And one thing about cow foot, it's very nutritious. It has a lot of protein to it, a lot of collagen, and that helps with your skin, with your bones, and yeah. And of course, I wanted to add a little bit of adrenaline to it. Yes, just adding, yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Okay, you can omit this process, but I wanted to add a little bit of some fish to it. But yeah, after adding that, I went ahead to blend all my ingredients. Then I added everything to the soup. Cook it for like 10 to 20 minutes, and the soup was ready. If you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl. Don't forget to share and like this video. Until my next one, stay safe, be blessed. I'm gonna leave some Ghanaian recipes up here so that you can check until my next one. I really do appreciate each and every one of you taking the time to watch my videos. You guys, may the Almighty bless you all. And let's take a time and look at this go today. Like, it was very soft. very well seasoned. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients down below if you want to check it out, and some videos for you to check as well. Bye.